Hi everyone, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I have a little combined double haul, and some of these items are connected, so that's why I'm sharing them both with you at the same time. So I have one from Simon Says Stamp, and I have one from scrapbook.com. So I will start with the scrapbook one here, show you what I got in this bigger package. My goodness, it's a big old bag. Big old bag. Okay. Got some freebies in here. Just gonna kind of pull this off screen and see what we got. Okay. First of all, I stocked up on this. This is my favorite lately. This is 1-inch wide foam adhesive, but it's the 1 millimeter thick. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's the really thin kind. I've been digging that lately because I feel like the post office is getting a little bit fussier with like how thick cards are, and I don't want to risk having it sent back or having to pay more post. So I'm really liking this 1 millimeter height to give it a little bit of separation and dimension without going too crazy. Okay, and then here I have 1/8 inch wide strips, which are also 1 millimeter thick. Let me make sure that's what I got here. Yes, 1 millimeter. So I wanted the 1/8 inch strips, kind of like the ones that I use from Amazon, but these are more like probably 2 millimeter, whereas this is 1 millimeter. So again, it's going to be that nice thin strip for like a sentiment strip, but it's only going to be that 1 millimeter high, if that makes sense. Okay, I got an extra roll of my 1-inch mint tape because, I don't know, I use a lot of it. Don't mind all the plastic crinkling. I have this little jobber, also from Scrapbook, but I had to try this 1/2 inch because I do think there are instances where a thinner strip width-wise is beneficial. So I'm giving it a go. They have, I think, even maybe an 1/8 inch as well. So they have a variety of these now. But I thought the 1/2 inch made sense, so I will report back on how useful that is. Okay, this is a freebie. What is this? Okay, so 20 sheets, 10.5 by 4 1/13. Oh, oops. Just pulled that right off. Okay, so this is craft. I wonder if this is like if you fold it this way and it makes a card base. 𝗵fancy cards. Okay, I'm not super sure on this. If you know in the comments, let me know what this is for. Use scoring board as needed, fold as you wish. Okay, so it's not quite like A2 size, because that would be 11 inches. So maybe this is a European size at this. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments. Not sure. It was a freebie. It's cool either way. Seems like a nice... Oh yeah, that's really thick. Oh my goodness. That's really thick craft. Okay, so that's good to have on hand. But let me know how to use that, okay? All right, another freebie is some more specialty cardstock here. This, I don't know if you're going to be able to see. Oh, maybe right there. It's got glitter. It's like, it almost looks like, I don't know, a little galaxy-ish, which is cool. So it contains 5 sheets, 85 pounds, acid-free, specialty card. Craft Perfect Tonic Studios. It's called Starlit Sky. That makes sense. Yeah, pretty glittery cardstock. Again, another freebie. Okay, now this is the reason for the double haul. If you haven't seen this, Christina Werner paired with Concord and 9th and came out with this set, actually multiple sets from Concord and 9th, but this one I've been stocking since I saw it. My friend Al has it, my friend Laura has it, and I wanted it because it's such cool size sentiments. I love the font, and I love what it says. I think it's really unique. But the reason I did double up here is because I wanted the dies as well. And these, if you've seen them around, you know they have been out of stock. So they're just coming back into stock. And I had to go to 2 different stores to get the set. So this is the coordinating die. So checking in dies. It cuts out not only these big sentiments, but it cuts out, you know, these little word sentiments, these little strips and stuff too. So very cool. These are decent size. Let me see. Actually, let me use my little, looks like it's about 2.5 inches wide, about this way, and about 2 inches. So 2 by 2.5 inches for this. So decent size. Now this is my first time filming with a new camera, a new phone rather. I had to upgrade. Because my daughter needed a new one, so I gave her mine. And I don't know if this is behaving, so hopefully it's not wonky, because it's looking a little screwy. Okay, but while waiting impatiently for these, I realized she has another set with Concord and 9th, which is also gorgeous. Look at this. Hope today is a good day. Brighter days are coming. You're always on my mind. So proud of you. I'm guessing this is Christina Werner hand lettering because, you know, she's amazing at that. But what's super cool about this, look, these dies cut out these big sentiments, but then there's also these other dies here that you can use, like standalone dies. How cool is that? And they're kind of like on a line. So it's not going to be a bunch of little fiddly pieces, which, you know, would drive me crazy. So very cool. Look at this. You can count on me, sending hugs, thinking of you, hang in there. So these are just amazing. Like, I love Christina Werner. I love Concord and 9th. These are amazing. I am so glad I finally got them. I will link everything in the video description box below. If you expand and scroll down, you will definitely be seeing these on my cards. So if you're curious about how I'm going to use these, be sure to hit that notification bell, and then you'll be alerted anytime I post a new video. But I'm stoked. So thank you so much for spending time with me. I appreciate it. Have a great day.